Hello there. Riverside Meadow Trail in Grand Forks, BC. Starting our morning walk Saturday for 10,000 steps, 6 kilometers aim every Saturday. Come walk with us in the trail. This is where we start our hike. Beside the river, this is Granby River. Riverside Meadow Trail. That's the river.
Wow, linaw. Mataas ang tubig ngayon, mami. Watch out, watch out.
Don't go too far. That's Granby River during winter or rainy days. This river is full of water. Let's continue on walking. There's 6 kilometers in. Morning.
Hi.
Hi there. This is the neighborhood we wanted, but it's expensive. You have to buy the lot and then custom made the house. Surrounded by mountains, and there's a river at the bottom. That's Granby River. Your backyard would be the river. Have a good day. See you later. This is Gina Almeida. If you like my content, please subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. God bless.